Traditional models of production and development often focus on efficiency rather than value, so many projects run over schedule and budget. Consequently, deliverables are often obsolete upon their release to the marketplace. You want to better delight your customers and attract new ones. What can you do? You need to know their opinions and anticipate their needs. With Agile frameworks, new services and features are regularly released to your customers. Then, according to their feedbacks, adaptations will be made iteratively and incrementally to graduate their satisfaction. So how does it work? For example, in Scrum, everything starts with the product owner, who represents customers and all stakeholders. The product owner prioritizes the list of all the work that might be needed for the product. The list is called product backlog. The product owner optimizes and maximizes the value of the work done by the development team over a period, 1 to 4 weeks, called sprint. The development team is self-organized and multidisciplinary. During the sprint planning, depending on the sprint goals, the sprint backlog is created. With the definition of done in place, the Scrum team works together to create and deliver value. Once a day, the development team meets for less than 15 minutes during the daily Scrum to inspect and adapt if necessary his progress towards the goals of the sprint defined in advance. Identify impediments and dependencies. So who makes sure that Scrum is understood and applied? The Scrum Master, who is the servant leader of the Scrum team. The Scrum Master helps everyone understand Scrum theory, rules, and practices. At the end of each sprint, the team invites stakeholders to the sprint review to inspect the results collectively. Immediately afterwards, the team holds a sprint retrospective, where they evaluate the way they work and define an action plan for continuous improvement. As the team works to achieve the goals of the successive sprints, the increment builds iteratively, allowing the team to deliver more value to users and customers more frequently, and to get quick feedbacks so they can adapt if necessary. Casa Technologies help you to make your transformation a success, maximize the value created by your teams, make your customers even happier.